Welcome to part 2 of Let's Build Instagram with Rails. In this part of the video, we are going to install SimpleForm to allow our users to upload their own photos to share with their followers. Now, we are going to be using the SimpleForm gem, and go ahead to the rubygem.org and click the source code to follow the instructions on how to install the gem. And the first step to installing the gem is to add it to your gem file. Let's do that now. Run the following command to install it. Bundle install. That's pretty common. Run the generator Rails generate simple form install. Perfect. Now we have the SimpleForm install. Now we need to go back to our controller. And alright, so go to your controller, your post controller, and scroll down. And because we are going to let the users upload their own photos, we need to permit that in our form. So where we have the post params that require post permits, we are going to add image here, right? And now we have permitted our form to pass the image to our form. Now we just need to create the form where the users can upload their image. And go to your app view and go to your form underscore form.html, and we are just going to use the simple form. We're just going to use simple form. We're just gonna paste Alright, so what we are going to do, we are going to turn this form right here into a each loop. So we are going to loop through all the images and all the captions and show that inside our index page. So let's do that now, okay? And to do that, we're just going to copy and paste simple form 4, and we're going to turn our form into a simple form. To a simple form. And we are going to change this to image. I mean, we are going to copy and paste here. We are going to copy and paste this. We are going to turn it to image and caption. Submit, and let's see. let's run this form. Stop it. Let's run our rake. Clear jet. Let's run rake routes to get our routes. And we are going to use alright, perfect. Now we have our sample form and we can upload images through our form. Alright, perfect. Now if we upload the images now, it won't show through our index because we need to also loop through the images in our index. And let's now just go to your index.html and let's paste some Rails helpers to show the image. And we can do this very simply. Hold up. Alright, we can just remove every single code here. Yeah, let's remove every single and paste in this code. So this code is post.each, so that's the loop, and this is a form helper with Rails to show the image, and this is our model, and the Rails will grab the image URL, turn it to the medium size, and it's also gonna have a caption under it. Let's run this. Now let's try running that picture. Pictures. Perfect. Now we have pictures of some cats, right? Okay. And now we need to install Bootstrap. Alright, now we have our form. Now we just need to bootstrap our form. Let's upload some more photos. Not. Let's upload some more photos. Right now it's not showing it as scrolling down, but we are going to fix that in a few minutes after we install. Alright, now we have sit and cast, okay? Perfect. Now we just need to install Bootstrap, and I am going to be using Bootstrap